Good morning, children. In the last class, we were learning about the normal sound consisting of the mixed frequencies, children. Normal sound consisting of the mixed frequencies. Okay, children. Therefore, today we'll go with a topic called as noise and music. Already I have given the introduction about the noise and music, children. Normally, when we go to a market or when we go to a bus stand, we hear different kinds of sounds, and some sounds are very pleasant to be heard, and some sounds are unpleasant to be heard. Okay, children. That means normally when we go to a market, okay, we find that people talking and it is irritable. Okay, that means it gives the irritation to our ears. Normally, when a plate falls from a shelf, okay, it gives off some irritation sound. When I am rubbing the board, if a keys sound is heard, it gives some irritation. It is not pleasant to be heard, children. But whereas some kind of sounds, okay, which are very pleasant to be heard. That means here the song of some musician, the songs which are sung by the great singers. Normally, A.R. Rahman music, okay, or the songs which were played by some special persons, okay, special singers. Normally, Saregama is one the program that is coming in the television, children. Okay, excuse me. Okay, that type of music can be heard, very pleasant to be heard, children. Okay, and car horn, it is unpleasant to be heard. Therefore, basing on these sounds heard, they are classified in two types. That is sound, that is noise and music. Noise is the one, okay, which gives are unpleasant to the ears. Okay, which gives irritation to the ears is called as the noise. Why the noise is produced like that? Why? Because the sounds produced, the vibrations produced, they are at irregular intervals of time. They are produced at irregular intervals of time. They are not produced regularly. Then those sounds are called as the noise. And if the vibrations produced at regular intervals of time, then those sounds are called as the music, children. Okay, here he is asking that how do you feel when you hear sounds in busy traffic? Normally we get irritation. How do you feel while listening to a songs from the radio? Yes, we feel very pleasant. Okay, which of the above sounds are more pleasant to be heard? The sounds which are played in the radio, the sounds which are placed in the mobile phone. That means the sounds which are played by the musicians. Okay, children. We enjoy the sounds in music concern. They are pleasant to be heard. But there are some sounds which are unbearable, like, okay, to hear, like the sounds produced when a steel plate or utensil is dropped from the floor. Okay, children. Next, the sounds which are pleasant to be heard are called as music. The sounds which are not pleasant to be heard are called as the noise. Noise is an irregular combination of sounds which are unpleasant to be heard, whereas music is the combination of sounds that are produced in an order to pleasant to be heard. Okay, children. Then we learn about the audible range. Audible range. Can the human ear can listen all the sounds which are produced in the universe? No. We cannot see. We cannot hear, children. Normally the sounds which are produced by the bats, we can't hear. The sounds which are produced by the elephants, that means inside, okay, elephants, we can't hear. Okay, normally some dogs, they cry. Do you know why they cry? Normally we say that the dog should not cry in the street. When the dog cry in the street, we say that it is a myth that some person in the street may die. Why it is like that? Why? Because we say that the dogs may hear the sounds of the cries of the humans. The inner movement of the sounds can be heard by the dogs, we say. Okay, children. Therefore, here normally the audible range of the ear of a human being is only of some sounds. Okay, that we say that the audible range of the sound is from 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz or 20 kilohertz. Okay, audible range of sound. Audible range. What is that? Normally the sound, the intensity of the sound is measured in terms of decibels, whereas the frequency, normally the sounds are produced at different frequencies and different pitch, already we learned. Therefore here the audible range of the sound, as we are having the frequency from 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz, or we say that, or 20 kilohertz. 1 kilo is equals to HTZ, we indicate it. HTZ means hertz. Okay, normally the range of audible is 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz, or 20,000 to 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. Okay, here one of our sense organs ear enable to hear a number of sounds. Are we able to hear all sounds produced in the surroundings? No, we cannot. Do we hear the sounds produced by the bats? No. The sounds that produced by the human being are called as the audible sounds. The sounds that are normal human being can hear are called as the inaudible sounds, which cannot, the humans cannot hear the sounds. Then those sounds are called as inaudible sounds. Okay, frequency of the audible sound is from 20 vibrations per second to 20,000 vibrations per second. Okay, next here whatever the sound that we can't hear, they are divided into two types, that is infrasonics and ultrasonics. Okay, children, infrasonics and the ultrasonics. Children, here we are having of two types of sounds. Those are infrasonics and ultrasonics. The sounds, okay, which are less than 20 hertz. The sounds which are less than 20 hertz are called as the infrasonics. Okay, children. The sounds which are heard less than 20 hertz are called as the infrasonics. Okay, infrasonics. Okay, children.